Hello! In this video we are going to talk about constant variables. Constant variables, as the name indicates, are variables where they are assigned a value only once, and never change again. Let's see an example. Let's imagine Charles. Charles is 20 years old and in a month he will be 21. We need to save Charles' name and age in two variables. The name can be saved in a constant variable as it will not change. However, the age changes every year and we need to change it in a period of time, whether years, months, seconds, milliseconds, and then to store the age we will use a normal variable. If we try to assign a value to a constant variable after being assigned, it will give the following error. Let's see another example. We will use a swimming pool as an example. At Mike's house there is a swimming pool that holds 3,000 liters of water. However, since it's winter, Mike's pool is empty. Mike asked us to make a program where we tell him how many liters the pool takes and if it's full or empty. Once the pool is built and will not change again, let's keep its capacity in a constant variable. Like this. And its state in a Boolean variable. Let's put what we've learned into practice. The color of my car is white, but tomorrow I'm going to paint it black. Which of the following answers is correct to store my car color? Correct answer, A. Claire weighs 50 kilograms and she asked us to make a program where she can store her weight. Which variable would you use in this situation? Correct answer, C. Thanks for watching, and until the next video.